Brayden, what are you doing? Brayden. Brayden. What are you doing, bud? You fixing stuff? Fixing the tractor? I heard you.
What's the baby doing on the tractor?
Oh, he's fixing stuff.
No, he's not even doing anything.
What?
He's not doing anything.
Well, he's pretending to fix things.
Oh, you know you can snap a picture while you're recording. Like, not screenshot it, but you can actually snap a picture.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just have to.
You have to what? Oh, you want me to take a picture? Ooh, ooh. And he got down. He wants the big shovel now. Oh. I did it.
You did it?
I did it.
Can I see it?
Well, I'm recording right now, but when I'm done recording, you can see it.
That was easy.
That was easy. Are you going to take gymnastics this year? Maybe?
Just watch it.
Wow, good job.
Cartwheeling.
Oh, I have to order the food. I have to order the food.